take a bit of clarity of distance from something that's frustrating you, something that's annoying you, you're able to probably widen your scope, widen your view, and have some appreciation for some of the good things that are also going on. I'm up at Mount Tambourine with my husband having a little break, and we've stopped at this little lookout, and just the first thing that we sort of both said was, not too shabby, hey? What a great view. We don't have such a bad country, really. Now, I could also whinge about all the things about our country, and let's face it, there's plenty to whinge about in any country, but there's also plenty to appreciate. And I guess when you've got that clarity of distance, when you can step out of your day-to-day, just even for a little bit, and get yourself maybe a different view on what's going on, you get the chance to appreciate some of the good stuff. Does that mean that the annoying, frustrating stuff goes away? Maybe not. Maybe you can come up with a bit of a alternative action or solution when you do step away. But stepping away is the critical piece. Stepping away gives you a chance to take a breath, take a different perspective, have a bit of a pattern break. I think that when we have that clarity of distance, we're able to then free our thinking up to be able to explore alternatives, to be able to allow the good stuff in and not just get trapped in the bad. So I'm just wanting to share this view with you, pun intended, the view of the mountains and the valley and my view on it all. So I'd love to know what your thoughts are when it comes to having a little bit of clarity of distance, to be able to think things through and to be able to find the positives in whatever's going on in your world.